there's two parts to a discriminant problem, and one is usually where it goes wrong. One is to recognise what the A and the B and the C are. And then once we've done that, then actually there's 3 steps. 1, 2, recognise what the A, B and the C are, form an equation or an inequality, and then solve the equation or solve the inequality. They're the 3 steps. So solving a it's usually going to be a quadratic, but anyway, solving any equation or solving an inequality you already know how to do. So I'm not going to talk about that one right now. I'm going to focus on the first 2. So the first thing, recognise what A, B and C are. A is the amount of X. So have a look, I've made up a really stupid one here just to exaggerate the point. How many bits here are amounts of X? All of those. So actually, Y equals, well, let's put the minus x squared first to get it in order. There's the minus x squared. Then, how much x have I actually got? And then, what is everything else? So, how much x have I got? I've got 3x, and I've got kx, and I've got 4kx. So actually, I've got minus x squared plus 3 plus 5k x. That's how much x I've got. And then what's left? Well, this is left, this minus k squared. That's not x squareds or x's, it's just a number. So that's on the end. And then this bit here, this 3. That's not x squareds and it's not x's, it's just a number. So that goes on the end. So by rewriting the quadratic as an amount A of x squared plus an amount B of x plus an amount C of numbers, we can identify correctly the A, B and the C. Having done that, then you just need to write down what b squared minus 4ac is by subbing in the A, B and the C. But never just write b squared minus 4ac. Never do that. Never, never, never. Either write equals 0, or write less than 0, or write bigger than 0, or write bigger than or equal to 0. Never just write b squared minus 4ac. That will make me really upset. I'm going to write it at the bottom. Never just write b squared minus 4ac, please. Okay, so how do we know which one to write? Well, b squared minus 4ac is 0 is if the quadratic has one repeated root. So basically it's got a repeated root, looks like that. B squared minus 4ac is negative if the quadratic has no roots, so it doesn't cross the x-axis at all. B squared minus 4ac is bigger than 0 if the quadratic has 2 distinct real roots. So that's like your normal situation where the quadratic crosses the x-axis twice. B squared minus 4ac is bigger than or equal to 0 is a combination of these two. So bigger than or equal to 0 is a combination of 2 distinct real roots and 1 repeated real root. That's a real root. And therefore that would be just described as having real roots. So I'm not telling you whether it's got 1 or 2, but they're real. So just has real roots. And that would be bigger than or equal to 0.